What's up guys, it's Coy from Gentleman Within and I'm at the salon today. I'm gonna get a haircut. I've been getting lots of messages about doing some hairstyling tutorials, so I'm gonna show you guys how I'm styling my shorter hair this summer. Alright, see you guys in a bit. Before we get started, I want to give a shout out to Thomas Adajar, who's actually in my private Facebook community. And he's always asking some really good questions. So yeah, keep asking those good questions and thank you for the support. On with the video. Hope you guys like it. I've gotten lots of messages about doing hair videos, and so this is my first foray into the world of men's hairstyling and grooming. I've had lots of different hair lengths and styles over the years, and I've tested a myriad of different products, from waxes to pastes to pomades to clays, creams, gels, fibers, and so on. I've also picked up lots of tips and tricks along the way, specifically what works and what doesn't for thick Asian hair. I've had lots of bad hair days, and I still have them from time to time. But anyway, I'm super excited to be jumping into the world of men's hairstyling on YouTube. Now on to the styling. As you can see, I've got a shorter hair length for summer. It's a 0 on the sides, faded up, and a bit longer and texturized on top. And I'm blow drying my hair just to dry it quicker. For the product I'm using, I've got a dry wax from Ecru New York, and I decided to cocktail it with Ecru defining paste. I don't normally cocktail products, but figure I'd give it a shot since I was at the salon and had all the products at my disposal. So the wax has a bit of a shine to it and a fairly light hold, while the paste is a bit thicker with a firmer hold. Paste is a highly versatile product for shorter or longer hair lengths and easy to wash out, which is why I use it fairly often. The combination of these two should provide a nice matte finish with a bit of a shine to it, which is nice for this shorter hair length. On to applying and styling. So I've applied a small dime amount of both products in my palms and then mixed the two together by emulsifying the products between my hands. With shorter hair, there's nothing to it really. You just work your hands and fingers through your hair, styling and teasing the hair into place. I get the tips as well as the roots. This is important not only with longer hair but shorter hair as well. Once you have your desired look, feel free to apply some finishing hairspray for a little bit of extra hold. Hit it with the blow dryer and then voila, short summer hairstyle complete. Alright, hope you guys liked this video. If you did, go on and smash that like button. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I put out new videos on men's style, grooming, travel, lookbooks, product and brand reviews, and all that good stuff. And while you're at it, hit that notification bell so that you can get alerts anytime I put out an update. All right, guys, thank you as always for watching. That's all I got. Cheers to your style, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace. And I'm gonna show you guys how I'm getting...
Are you taking a picture of yourself?
No, he's doing it for a video, a tutorial.
And so I'm...
Oh!